Guess what, guys? The early 2000s are back. So, I'm back. Long time no see. I have been over on Lorian's Toy Box, opening many blind boxes, and I hope you guys have been following me there. I have been doing more crafty things. I've been making custom shaker charms, and guys, sticker books, sticker collecting, sticker trading, they're back. Let me add for 2 seconds. When I was little, I didn't have video games. I had stickers. And stickers were my life. I was obsessed with my sticker collection. And I am so excited that it's coming back now. I want to show you guys my old collection. And I've never stopped collecting, but I'm excited to make new sticker books. Anyway, enough about the nostalgia. I have ordered some sticker binders. I saw one at the store today. You guys know me, I'm impatient. I got this one at the mall. It is called My Seal Binder. And it was 682 yen. Now, I don't remember the exact price of things. I do remember that sticker books, just like the little sticker books, were like 250 yen. So, I can't tell if this binder is expensive or not. But, good news. I have adult money now. So, let's look at this. So, it's a 5-ring, 6-ring. I can count, guys. And it comes with sticker sheets. Ooh, it's the nice slippery kind. I used to be such a sticker paper critic, I guess. Like, some sticker books would be like, you can put stickers on and peel them off again. No, they never come off. But this is the correct type of sticker paper, in case you were curious. I'm not familiar with any of these characters anymore. Who made this one? This is sold by Kulia, which is a big company here. Crux, Kulia, Mindwave, they all do very nice stickers. It's Pancake Cat, which is a new character to me, but cats and foods, tale as old as time. So they had, I don't know, 6 different sticker binders that I could have chosen from. I was like, we'll go with the cats and food. So, to start me off again, I got that to tide me over until whatever I've ordered comes in. I also have these that I got over the past few years. They were, you know how Japanese magazines come with the extras? These were both extras. I pre-ordered them. I was like, oh, how nostalgic. And this was before like stickers blew up again on social media. So I have been hoarding these. They come with a few sheets of sticker paper and a little bit of paper, but these will be perfect for making sticker binders. And I don't remember which one I got first, but this one looks like it's kind of Eastery themed. I don't even remember what magazine this came with, but it comes with some sticker papers, and just like seeing this makes me so happy, guys. I am ready with my sticker binders. The new trend that has come in are these, they call them bonbon drop stickers. They started blowing up, I want to say sometime last year, and I actually got a sheet of the Kuromi stickers when they first started coming out, and people were like, oh, these are amazing, we make phone cases with these, we can do this, we can do that. And I was like, oh, you know what, that's cool, maybe I'll make a phone case. So I got this one a while back, never used it. Now they are blowing up. There are so many designs, they go out of stock, people love these. Now, when I was like 10 years old, 12 years old, somewhere around there, I didn't really care for the 3D stickers, the epoxy stickers, because I liked my sticker books to be nice and flat. I didn't like them to be all like bumpy and lumpy. So 12-year-old me would not have gotten these. 2025 me, sorry, I'm a sheep. I had to. They're so cool. I realize I'm doing a horrible job at like doing an actual haul here, but look at them. These were called like the Aurora ones. They're iridescent. Isn't that cool? It would be so fun to make resin pieces like this. I like this one because it was like galaxy, cats, food. Can't go wrong with that. Also, it seems like it's a little more like cloudy plastic. I'm not sure. We will be making sticker books with these later on. Today's just the haul. We're just dipping our toes back in, 10-year-old me would have not approved of this sticker sheet in any way. Current me thinks they're cool. Remember when I put one of these in resin and it like overheated and melted and like all evaporated? That was a fun experiment. Oh, but I do have stickers that 10-year-old me would have approved of. Oh, the sun's setting. Hold on, guys. Can you still see? These were kind of the tail end of the sticker trend when I was a kid. I feel like they called them tile stickers. I guess they're still called tile stickers. And these were the characters that were popular. Tare Panda, Afro-Ken, and I think they had like Sumiko Gurashi, Monokuro Boo, like currently. But these were the only ones that were left. I will show you guys my sticker binder soon. And yeah, I never knew what to do with these, but it was really cool if you own them. So I had a few sheets. I had some like Hello Kitty ones, I think. Going with that trend, these were also the tail end of my sticker collecting craze. I feel like they called them ohajiki stickers, which are like the little glass chips thingies, they're like marbles but flat. Old school Japanese toy. Anyway, they definitely did not cost... Oh, is there a price tag on here? I think I paid like 600 and some yen for these. Why do I not see the price on this? I, not gonna lie, was appalled when I bought these today. I was like, they were not this expensive when I was a kid. I think they were like 300 yen. But look at that art. Isn't that cute? They always get me with the pastel rainbows. And look at all their sleepy. So, I was like, yeah, I'll put this in a sticker book. So I got this. The Bonbon drop stickers, I think they were all like 500 yen each. Something like that. This one is 473 yen. This one was, I can't see. It was like 400 yen. It was like 380 yen something. The Kuromi one was 500 yen. It is crazy. Stickers are expensive. It doesn't say how much the water sticker was. Ooh, I actually got these two sheets. I didn't show you guys the puffy ones because they match the pancake cat theme. So I thought these could be the front pages, maybe, of my sticker album. I don't know. I just see cute stickers and I grab them, okay? And apparently they glow in the dark. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I am losing my light fast. These were 30% off. They are BGM stickers. I love BGM's washi tape. They have very, very pretty designs. I love going through the sales bin at stationery stores and buying stickers that I probably do not need. But I thought these were cute. I actually have a stationery trade coming up, and I thought these might be fun to include. I'm not sure. But either way, I really do like these kinds of stickers. I have a few rolls of like the washi tape, but it's always nicer when it's a single sticker. Oh, so these are a fun series. They are called Otona no Zukan, encyclopedias for adults, I guess. They're usually sticker sheets. I've never seen them in the sticker flake form, but I recently saw the sticker sheet for this on someone's reel, and I was like, oh, I need that. And they were on sale today, 30% off of 330 yen. Kamio Japan. Oh yeah, Kamio's a big sticker company too. But it's like washi tape, ink bottles, sticker sheets, and like all these like stationery items. They're sticker flakes. The sticker sheet is cool because it's laid out like an encyclopedia page. But you know what? It's on sale. There's stickers I want. Thought these would be fun for the trade too, so I got a few packs. One's for me, and one's for sharing maybe. Or like sticker book and sharing, I don't know. I found the summer Sanrio stickers. I wanted all of them, but I controlled myself because they're 440 yen a pack, and that adds up fast. So I got the summer Sanrio characters. Sorry, I'm really not doing a good job of showcasing. I have not done a haul video in forever. I'm just used to talking and talking and talking. Which reminds me, you should follow me on Twitch. I live stream over there, as well as on Lorian's Toy Box on YouTube. Here is the first one. I love the packaging on this. I did get the All-Stars, and it's their summer collection. It's shaped like a little parfait, a little cream soda maybe. Here's the lineup. Very nautical, oceany, fireworky, matsuri, tropical, just a little bit of everything kind of themed. Again, they got me with the rainbow colors because, yep. I also got the Kuromi one because Kuromi's my girl. Trying to think who else they had. They had, of course, My Melody, Hello Kitty, Pom Pom Pudding, Cinnamon Roll, Hangyodon. Did they have Tuxedo Sam? They didn't have Keroppi. I was specifically kind of looked for Keroppi, but I didn't see it. Here's Kuromi. Again, the packaging's so cute. Like, oh, I can't wait to journal with these. Here's the lineup. Little Kuromis, Baku, Summer, Watermelon, Sunglasses. Again, all the, like, summery themes. A little bit of nautical, Matsuri. Very cute. And it looks like the outlines have, like, a rainbow gradient. You know, I've been pretty good about not buying washi tape and stickers for the past, I want to say, like, 2-3 years. I know that I have not been using them. I just hoard them, so I've resisted. I've been pretty good, like, genuinely. But yeah, with this new hobby, we really need to look into my collection and put a hand to our heart and ask ourselves, do you need that? And the answer is always going to be yes. But I'm excited to actually like use my stickers and like sort them and do all the fun things I've been wanting to do with them. So anyway, 2 other packs of sticker flakes, Kuromi, and I got the little twin stars because it was the rainbow gradient that got me. Slap a rainbow gradient, like rainbow colors on anything, I will buy it. Also, I'm sorry, my camera's shaking. Elbows off the table, guys. So yeah, I lost my train of thought, but as I was looking at all these stickers, I was like, oh, I'm gonna make a sticker binder for Sanrio stickers, I'm gonna make a sticker binder for Disney stickers, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. I'm excited, guys. And I've been watching so many reels and videos of people with their sticker collections and like making sticker books and stuff. I'm like, I am back. They're like, this is what I was born to do. Because literally, I spent early teen, mid-teen years organizing my sticker books, organizing my stickers, making like sticker flakes, and you guys don't even know. I'm so happy. I hope we can do like, I don't know, sticker trades or like, I don't know, fun things. So, yeah, I am back, guys, because stickers are back and I will be doing more crafty things. I want to journal over here. I just want to like have this channel, excuse me, truck. I want this channel to be like a chill space. Maybe we'll do some ASMR stuff. I don't know. You guys know I like to talk. So who knows if that'll happen, but I would like to do some more like journaling live streams over here and fun stuff like that. And I will be making a lot of sticker content, yeah, for a while. So I hope you guys don't mind that. And yeah, if you haven't been following me on my other channels and Twitch, please do. I am around on the internet. I still exist. Join us on Discord. We have a really fun community. We talk about toys, stationery, and Disney, and all the things that I like and things that you guys like, and it's just a great time. So yeah, if you haven't seen me in a while, or you're new here, my name's Abby. I love stationery, and I hope you'll enjoy your stay. Thank you for letting me ramble. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below if you would like to see my 25-year-old sticker binder, and if you'd like to see me make new sticker books and stuff. Also, please sound off in the comments if you are still around, and thank you for waiting. I am back with stickers. Anyway, I'll see you all next time. Bye!